So welcome again to my YouTube channel. For more than 3 months now, so approximately 3 months now, this platform has been running perfectly. So the name of this platform is 3ca.com. So it's one of the investment platform where you get to invest your money and buy their product, and from the product you bought, it will be generating daily incomes for you. So, and you can literally withdraw your money on the anytime on daily basis whenever you reach minimum withdrawal. So I registered this account some months ago, so it's almost 3 months now, but due to most of the platform that I'm engaging, so I forgot about it, and I realized that the platform has been running perfectly up till now. So for new users, when you sign up on this platform, you'll be given a benefit of 300 naira. So in Nigerian currency, just 300 naira. So, and you need to deposit money into this platform to earn every day. So how do you get to deposit? So you can come to this my product session to see your own product you've purchased. But first of all, you need to deposit money. So to deposit money, what you need to do is to come to this product session and have the overview of how this platform works. So as you can see that when you buy product and rent them out, so you earn high rental fees. So from the product you purchased on this platform, you can be able to make money on daily basis. So as you can see that the minimum product you can purchase is a product that will worth 3,000 naira, which is called a sports headset. So when you purchase this product, it will be earning you 166 per day. So that is basically how you earn. Now if you purchase this particular product that worth 8,000 naira, which is level 2 product, it will be earning you 380 on daily basis. So with this product now you purchase, you can generate daily income, and when you click on this, you will see that this product will last for just 30 days, and you'll be expected to make another repurchase. So to show how this platform is, it's very nice, and you can literally earn money on daily basis. So I will always recommend people to go for what they can afford to lose, because you do not have full access and control of any platform. So it's just an investment opportunity. You can actually dive in and make money using the offer they have on their platform. So you also have to monitor your financial management very well, so that you can be able to cope up and have your capitals on every investment, and retrieve them, and also make massive product if you really understand how everything works. So how do you get to purchase the product here? So what you need to do, you come to this place. As you can see, you tap on the product you want to purchase, like this particular one that will cost you 3,000 naira to earn 166 on daily basis. So I'm using this as a sample. I will just recharge right now, and also later on I will make more decision to purchase extra package on this platform, because I've discovered that the platform is looking like a long-term is a long-term earning opportunity. So you can also dive in now and start benefiting from this platform. So how do you get to recharge? I'll be doing it live right here to show you how everything works. So now let me just quickly click on this recharge. Now you can see that it's loading up for me. So what I need to do is to invest either in USDT or in bank card method. So how do you get to recharge using USDT? You just need to tap on USDT, then the equivalent money will pop up here. So let me just say I want to recharge 3,000 naira in Nigerian currency. So what I need to do is to actually click on deposit. So when I click on deposit, so let me just say I want to recharge in bank card format. So I'll just need to tap on deposit now. So I've added 3,000 naira right there. So what I need to do is to wait for this page to load up. So I will have to make payment into this account. Is Wema bank. So let me just quickly deposit into this account right now. So let me just click on this copy. Now let me quickly go to, okay, so guys, I've successfully made the transfer. So what I need to do is to come back to this platform and tap on I have made the payment. So just tap on this place. So successfully it will be recorded as a successful transaction. So let me just wait for it to load up, then I'll go ahead and purchase the products that I've actually deposited money for. So let's just wait for it to load up, guys. So successfully it has been confirmed. So let me just go ahead and then know the next step, which I'm going to show you right here on this platform. So let me just go back to the app, so I refresh. So automatically it has reflected right here on my screen. So as you can see it here that I currently have 3,300 naira on this app. So what I need to do is to go ahead and click on product here. So let me just quickly tap on this product if you have deposited. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to select this first option, which is level 1 product. So I've actually followed this step to recharge my account. So now I need to buy this package that will last for 30 days. So it's one of the evidence that prove that this platform might be quite profitable on a long run. So I recommend people who need daily income to actually make their financial budget and choose a plan on this platform and get started, guys. So it's just a good platform. I've seen it. Had it been that I made investment of from the day I signed up into this platform, I would have made a lot of cash up to 2 months now. So it's just how some of this platform works. You need to understand and take the step and also take the risk involved and make money. So that is actually how to spot good platform. So this package is going to last for 30 days. So let me just quickly click on buy package now, so to forge ahead and complete the step to start earning, so that right from tomorrow I'll be seeing my profit daily return, which is 166 naira reflect on my screen, so on my account balance. So let me just click on confirm purchase. So now I will confirm this. Congratulations on your becoming via a level 1 earner. So you can see that I have actually purchased this particular package. So and it will be running for me every single day for the next 30 days. So that is actually how it works, guys. So as you can see, currently I've gone back to 300 naira, which was the initial balance that I had from the app. So this app is going to be generating money on daily basis for me. So what I need to do is to check out about the withdrawal section by tapping on this withdrawal button here. So what I need to do now is to go ahead and check the minimum withdrawal. So if you are here, you can see that the minimum withdrawal is just 1,800 naira, and the fee is the withdrawal fee for ordinary users, level members is 10%. The withdrawal fee for advanced user is 8%. So these are the variation in the withdrawal fee. So and withdrawal time is 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day from Monday to Saturday. So and the withdrawals will arrive before 24 hours on the same day. So no more than 36 hours at the latest. No withdrawal on Sunday and holiday, only one withdrawal per day. So these are the instructions concerning withdrawal. So guys, it's a good opportunity. You can go ahead and invest according to your financial budget, guys. So if you want to withdraw via bank or USDT, you can select the option you want, and also you can add your bank here by clicking on add section. You now get to confirm withdrawal. So that is how simple it is to invest into this platform. So you would always come to this place and check out for the recent information which might be beneficial to all members connecting on this platform. So these are the new year gifts from 3C Digital, but I think the offer has ended on the 11th of this month. So that is how it works, and if you incur any challenge, you can always contact the customer service here. I think that should be on Telegram. So if you tap here, it will bring out this option where you need to okay, they also have customer service on their WhatsApp. So on the WhatsApp link, you can follow here and also join the group on WhatsApp as well. So these are how you can get to maximize this platform and make money online every day, guys. So if you have gotten value from this video, do not hesitate to tap on the like button, guys. So just tap on the like button and give this video a like, so that other people who are looking for ways to make money online will get to see it and tap into it, and also make money through this platform opportunity provided. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.